So hey guys, this is an update on CoinMarketCap NFTs and the Diamonds Rewards program. So it says here the loyalty program. So they will sell 10,000 diamond NFTs sold in just 3 hours, guys, on CoinMarketCap. And as time is going to go on, 100,000 will be sold in lesser time, because these NFTs can be really can be monetized. Their values really go up. So it's something you want to jump on this program. So it says get an upgrade. CoinMarketCap Diamond program just got a little bit sweeter. So now CoinMarketCap users can redeem their diamonds for even more prizes. So they've added a mystery box of goodies and NFT gifts. So these prizes go fast, so make sure to check often. So what you want to do, you always want to be on the lookout on, as a crypto enthusiast, you always want to be on lookout on, especially on this site called CoinMarketCap. It's like mining. It's like your crypto mining journey. So you just mine these diamonds, wait for them to launch, and you're good to go. So check out the NFT and the Enjin wallet asset section. So you can check out your NFT. For those people that have gotten, they should have received their NFT tokens. So these are the distributed diamond rewards. So NFT NG diamond NFT is sold out. There's 10,000 CoinMarketCap users. So they have I think this color is for the black. They also have the pink. This is the pink. This is either black or white, but this is the pink version. They both sold out like crazy, and they are cheap, just 100 diamonds. You get it in 3 days. You're able to mine 100 diamonds. In the comment section, if you have questions, you can let us know. We'll attend to you and tell you how to do it. We still have mystery bosses. So these mystery bosses, we missed it, but it's kind of crazy, guys, because they are owned by CoinMarketCap, and it's very unique. It's very unique. So we have Itamon NFT giveaway, CoinMarketCap interactive NFT Bitcoin edition. We have Dream Card NFT for gamers, and you can read more on this. We did more uploads on these NFTs, but it says here how to earn diamonds and how to spend the diamonds. So this is a short way. So you can, in order to start collecting diamonds, you need to have a CoinMarketCap account. It's just that with our new update, you can also now earn diamonds for participating in our airdrops and price estimates. So with the new update, you can get extra diamonds on a daily basis. Then also, it said how to spend CoinMarketCap diamonds. So once you have accumulated some CoinMarketCap diamonds, you'll be able to spend them in the future at our CoinMarketCap diamonds rewards and store on like items. So once you've been able to get the diamonds, you can be able to spend them in the rewards section, where you don't need an account to see these diamonds, the rewards that are valuable, but you'll be needing an account to be able to claim these rewards. So guys, I hope this update is helpful for you. I just hope it motivates you. You can check what we've done so far on CoinMarketCap Diamonds and see what the leaderboard of people that are currently mining on this program. So guys, join on this. Is going to be profitable. It's profitable. It's free to join, and it's very beneficial. So guys, one love, guys. Peace out, and see you in our future uploads. Akahilz. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and we'll attend to you. Just support us by subscribing, liking if you find it helpful. And that's it, guys. That's it. One love.